learning anything? Thank you to Ian, he sent out this drawing of the Civic and the BRZ. These are hot. He also sent me a Canadian dollar bill. I didn't even know, like, I've never seen one of these before. Also, we're trying to figure this one out. I think, did someone order this and like ship it to us? Cause like I didn't order this. But it's from Wish. It's a Wish part, but we never bought it. If you bought that, thank you, I guess. I don't know. But it doesn't have a name or anything on it, so thank you if someone sent that to us. You're getting the slow-mo over that and you know it. Okay, we can open the box.
Box. Oh my god, the table's flexing with your fat ass on there.
Probably. What are you doing?
Yeah, I think this one's still better. Oh, okay, since you're gone now, that one looks better.
He literally wrote on the note to fund the Subaru. It's $1. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be installing a fuel pump and injectors on the 240, so we are just going to be that much closer to getting it on the road. We actually also today, can I see that? We got the last piece for the turbo kit. Showed up literally just this coupler. This coupler goes on the turbo to the intake, and we're done, baby. Anyways, today we're gonna be installing something that Emerson's really excited about. Do you wanna open it? We have a package from FiveO Motorsport. FiveO sent out some injectors and a fuel pump for the 240. Huge thank you to FiveO for sending out this package for us. Yeah, I did. I shit my pants. I'm sorry.
It smells so bad.
Ta-da! 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 Stickers.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Fuel pump.
That's it?
It's nothing special. It just pumps your gas. FiveO sent us a 255 liter per hour, or 250, maybe I'm 5 liters per hour off. Walbro fuel pump. So this is just a high flow fuel pump. It's the exact same size as the one I put in the Civic, actually. And then they also sent out their own 550cc injectors. You want to open this boy up? So it's funny, it's actually the exact same size injectors and fuel pump that we're running in the Civic, except we're gonna have way more power in the 240 than we do in the Civ. And the injectors are gonna be a lot nicer. Ooh, hot boy. Dude, these actually look really nice though. Anyways, like I said, those are FiveO Motorsport injectors. If you guys are interested, there is a website link down below. You guys can go check them out. I also got you guys a discount code with FiveO Motorsports. If you guys want to go down below, there's a 15% off discount code if you guys need injectors or anything. Go check out their website. Use the code FiveOCommitted and save yourself 15%.
Oh, why is it so heavy?
So yesterday, the reason we didn't actually like fully do all this is because we think we might have to move some of it to get to the pump, which is right here. One on the Civic, I did like by myself pretty quickly. It'd be pretty straightforward. There you go.
Can we clean this so it doesn't fall in the gas tank there? Just like brake clean it with our new shop towels.
Ooh, new shop towels. We ran out of shop towels and like rags and everything. Like, here you go. Ran out of shop towels and rags and stuff like a month ago, and we've been using the greasiest towels in every video. While he's messing with the lines, I want to address two quick things. One, in the comments of the videos, you guys keep saying you want me to make a video where Emerson teaches us how to cook rice. If you guys can manage to get this video to 5,000 likes, I will next week, we will make a video with Emerson actually teaching us how to cook rice properly. 5,000 likes. Get this video there, you get a rice cooking video. And number two, I'm reading the comments on today's video. A lot of you guys noticed that halfway through the video, randomly got a tattoo. I didn't really realize that my hands were, I didn't realize I filmed so much of my hands until I got it. I'll show it to you guys, because you guys keep asking. Normally wouldn't put like every tattoo I get in a video, but this one I thought was cool because I wrote it to me. This is my own handwriting right there. As like a note from me to always remember to just do a little more. Don't be a lazy potato sack, Robbie. Don't be a lazy potato sack. And then just a little tip for anybody that's actually doing this themselves. These wires run down, they're supposed to reach the pump. So don't wire the new wiring harness like before you put it in. I pretty much am just gonna put it in and wire it right here so we don't have like bulk wires just chilling in the fuel pump like that kind of thing. So always like fit it first. Emerson applied a little bit of heat to these just to make sure that they're like nicely snugged on this and they're not gonna pooch themselves in the tank. I'm gonna see if I can manage to, oh, you covered it, you bonehead. I'm gonna see if I can find that special angle that Emerson can get to get this in. That's all connected, but we're not gonna put it back together yet. Something about when you put a fuel pump in a 240, like the stock wiring harness can't handle the amount of fuel or the amount of power that a new fuel pump pulls. So you have to, most people that we watched a lot of videos on this, and most people seem to like rewire the fuel pump.
Relay with the harness and a fuse, because you need a fuse in between. And so then we can run straight from the battery so it gets the max power it needs. And then run a manual switch so I can turn it on or off, so it's like a kill switch.
The battery's in the trunk now, so we can run it directly from the battery because they're neighbors. And he's gonna put in a switch to turn it on and off, because when we're done, we're gonna put like a little panel. See that gap underneath his radio? Right there. There's like that little empty space. We're gonna put like one of those panels with a bunch of switches on them, so it's gonna be like fuel pump, rad fans, lights, bags, anything. Anything goes on there. While Emerson does this and finishes up like attaching all the wires, I'm actually gonna take the fuel rail, pop the old injectors out of it, but I'm gonna clean it up a bit, because if you look at it, it's kind of custy. Like it's just, you know, old and it's got some paint missing and whatever.
There's still gas in there.
Oh, is it leaking? Oh shit. But anyways, like everything up here is just kind of like one kind of like color, so I'm gonna make that at least look a little bit nicer. Oh yeah. So I got all this prepped, everything's taken apart. I like brake cleaned it and then just taped off like all the ends of the lines and everything. So all this stuff is ready to go. And then I'm gonna be using this, which is like the Duplicolor Perfect Match stuff. This is literally the exact paint that Emerson used to paint his wheels in the first place. So for the time being, it'll be like an identical match.
Whoa, you actually did a lot of work.
I know, dude, I did do a lot of work. I tried to make them as nice as I could. Dude, this is about to be the nicest thing Emerson has on the car. That looks so good. We're gonna put a little bit of clear coat on it. I just decided why not, because it's gonna be in like a very high traffic area right on the top of the motor. So like things are bound to scratch it and hit it. So I'm gonna hit it with a clear a little bit. Are you done wiring things yet or what?
No, dude.
You wanna show them the trunk now that it's done?
Okay, we got the fuse, or the power wire to the fuel pump. And then everything's tucked behind this panel, which you can't even see. And that's about it. Ground for the fuel pump, and then there should underneath here is the ground for the relay, the power, 20 amp fuse, and that's it.
Yo, look at this. All right, so we let this dry all night. It's a little bit cold, so we didn't want to like risk trying to put this on last night and scratching it and stuff. Morning, we're gonna slap it all together. Also, you guys were commenting that we should put a fuse on this line. We are gonna do that. Emerson actually picked one up last night, so he just went to get it, I think, and then we're gonna put. He'll show you, but now this has to be just fully assembled and then bam on the engine. These are oddly similar to your OEM ones, eh? Like they look really the same, except these ones are labeled 550 and these ones are labeled garbage. Oh. It's not easy, is it? I don't know if I showed you guys in a video. I think I like showed you, but I don't remember if I actually put it in the video. When I was cleaning these spark plug wires the other day. You can see they're nice and shiny now. And when I pulled this one to clean it, there's a swamp of oil in there.
Hey, your car did it too, right?
Okay, I know the Civic did it too. It's okay, it's okay. Spark plug gasket obviously has been blown for a long time, so Emerson bought a new valve cover gasket and spark plug gasket. So we're gonna slap that down quickly before we put this on. That way we can get to it.
We can get to these.
Yeah, because this bolts down kind of to the valve cover, so that'd be kind of pointless to just slap it on. Ew, oh, you're dripping, dude. There you go. Oh yeah, there she is. There she goes. New one is black like a friggin' cover gasket should be. I don't know why yours was ugly and gray. For the magic, bro. What was that? Was that a fake? Ooh, that worked better. Now you just need some squishy bolt action. Dude, shout out to FiveO for making plug and play injectors, dude. This is the best. Like, we didn't have to rewire anything. We literally just threw them in and plugged it in. The ones that we got for the Civic, they were fuel injector clinic, and we had to like cut the harness, rewire everything. It was like kind of sketchy, and it looks kind of like junk now that it's done. These ones, plug and play, that is sick. That is way better. Thank you.
So there's our 125 amp fuse that we're supposed to put in between this box and the back. This goes onto here, and then we gotta put 2 more connections. Terminals on the positive, bolt here, and then you're good. So if something goes wrong, this will blow and not melt that box and melt everything else. We're supposed to put 125 amp fuse max before the box.
So it goes wires, then fuse, then you
Either way.
tighten it all down? Fuse.
Jordan said there's a holder for it too.
Looks like Jordan lied. It's legit like a centimeter too short. That sucks. At least we tried. At least we had the right idea. Now you just gotta go back to Orco and hope they sell bigger fuses. I don't know, I've never seen a fuse that big. That's okay. We'll do the fuse another day. At least the bar is there and it's ready to be fused. This is done. This looks sick. Another final thank you to FiveO Motorsports for making super easy to use injectors and helping us out with the build. Like I said, use the code FiveOCommitted down below and you'll save 15% if you guys want anything off their website for your own builds.
This video gets 10,000 likes.
No, 5, bro. I already said it's 5.
Who's making it?
You, and I'm gonna make you make it.
Fine, 75.
No, 5.
75.
I say 5,000. If you guys go above and beyond that, then Emerson will have no choice. So exceed 5,000 likes on this video and I'll make him make a how to make rice with Emerson video. That's all we have for you guys today. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.